So the last time you guys saw me, it was probably, geez, like 3 weeks ago now, and I was in Florida. I drove my van down there. It was about 2,000 miles altogether, a little over 40 hours of drive time, and it did awesome. No kind of hiccups, ran great. Decent gas mileage. I get like 20 to 22 depending on how fast I'm going, and it did awesome. It is the 3rd today, so 3rd day of 2020. Christmas was awesome. New Year's was good. Basically from here on out, it's all me. Like everything's behind me. My job's behind me. The holidays are behind me. Nothing is keeping me here. And this morning I'm feeling super motivated to pack up my van, to kind of get ready. Kind of scary, honestly. Like, I'm not exactly sure what's gonna happen. I'm gonna go to southern Florida there's 2 national parks down there. One's the Everglades. I forget what the other one's called. But there's 2 down there, and I'm gonna go to Orlando. My buddy lives there. And also that's a capital of a state. And that's gonna be my first one because I'm gonna hit every state and every state capital. After Florida, I'll probably move west and just hit like Louisiana, Texas, and I might kind of work my way up. I don't know, it depends on the timing and it depends on the weather. I don't exactly have a specific amount of time that I want to spend in every city, every state. I'm just gonna kind of take it as it comes. I'm sure some states will be more interesting than others. I've lived on the East Coast of the United States my whole life, and I've traveled from Ohio to Florida multiple times. So I kind of know that like terrain, like land, culture. I know pretty much this area. I've been out to California and out west once in my life. Other than that, I've not really traveled at all. So depending on the area I'm in is gonna determine how much time I'm gonna be there. I don't really want a timeline. I just kind of want to go and leave as I please, I guess. So basically today, this video is about me getting ready, packing up my van. I have 4, they're kind of, I'm gonna call them suitcases, like bags in my carrier up top. And I'm gonna get all of them down and I'm gonna pack clothes. 1 bag, well 2 bags, are gonna be for winter clothes. The other is gonna be for like summer clothes, like tank tops, shorts. I also need to get some sort of toolbox, some kind of box that's weatherproof for my tools in my van, and just like oils and just basic stuff, nothing like crazy. It's just gonna be normal tools that I would like feel comfortable traveling with, and I'm gonna put them in a box where my spare tire carrier is. I need to make some sort of lock for that too, so nobody can just like undo the tire carrier and get my tools. So I need to order some kind of weatherproof box for that. And I got a pretty decent sized area that a toolbox will fit in. So that's something else I need to do. I also need to get a bike carrier for my setup back here because my bike's already starting to get rusted a little bit on like the bare steel. And I don't want that happening because I just got that thing like only a year ago. And it's still super nice, super fresh. So I need to get a toolbox, bike cover, a hatchet, because I was chopping wood the other day and I realized that, oh crap, I couldn't find the hatchet in here. So I was like, oh shoot, like if I'm out camping somewhere and I need to chop a tree down and split some wood, make a fire, I'm not gonna have any means, like any ways to do that. All right. All right guys, this is it. So these 4 fit in my van, and this I kind of already got packed up because I packed that when I was in Florida. I just got board shorts, underwear, tank tops, shirts. I don't know why these thick socks are in there. This is gonna be my winter. I just got socks, winter, summer, little bit of like electronic stuff, not nothing too expensive because it's gonna be in top and you could take a hammer to the top and get in. So nothing too crazy. That's gonna be just probably just like miscellaneous stuff, cooking stuff. This will easily hold a can of soup. and it boils water. We boiled water in like 2 minutes. And that's the little valve that you turn it on. Got that for Christmas. So that, stuff like that is probably gonna go in here. My mom got me some pans and pots, whatever you wanna call them. So then we'll probably go in there. And so yeah, that's my carrier situation on top of my van. I conveniently got these from work and they were gonna throw them out. So they fit perfect. They fit so perfect. These are going in there. I'm going to probably slowly over the next like couple days, just like go through my clothes and make sure that what I bring is what I actually wear, which I don't wear too many things, and I don't wear too many things because I've always known that I was gonna go out on the road, and you can't bring that many clothes when you're on the road when you only got 4 bags to put crap in. So I kind of wear like this and this red hoodie all the time. So if you're someone on this channel watching this video and you see me, and you always see me wearing this, now you know why. Because I don't have room. I literally don't have room. I have $100 to Vans right now, and I don't even want to go because I don't have room. Like, I want to wait until I for sure need something, and then I can get it, and I won't be wasting like time, money, space, because this stuff is important. I feel like I don't necessarily know yet because I haven't really lived it, but we're gonna find out. So this is storage. This is storage. This is like convenient. This is like this stuff's serious. You can't be out here packing all kinds of crap. Okay, back in the van. I got crap in here that I need to organize. Stuff in here. I got coconuts from Florida. I changed my oil the other day, so my back mat, I need to return this. I need to clean that little section up. I got a fire extinguisher there. I think everything else is good. I just need to really clean and get organized because there's limited space here. Very limited. Like, I got a van and that's it. I need to start a list, actually. Stuff I need to buy, stuff I need to like do. I need to start a new note tab for sure, because this is a disaster. I've also thought recently that stuff in your van needs to be like high quality, like good stuff. Not everything, but most of your stuff. For example, the clothes you wear, they have to be things that you are comfortable in and will last a long time and aren't gonna just fall apart within a month because you don't have the space. I mean, honestly, you don't have the time. I don't have the time. I don't know if you have the time, but you just don't have the means to put up with stuff that's just breaking like all around your living quarters. So I've been trying to like really think about stuff that I use and stuff that I like using and I like wearing, because if you're not using something in a space like this, you're not gonna do good because you don't have the space and you probably don't have the time, because it's gonna be a mess. So you have to be thorough with everything that you pack, because if something isn't quality and isn't good, you don't like using, then you're gonna be wasting your time. So when I was down in Florida, I was driving a lot. I was driving so much. So I made my brother drive. And I got to sit in the passenger seat of my van, which doesn't ever happen. And I realized how much more comfortable it was than my freaking worn out driver seat. So I'm gonna switch these 2 seats out while it's clean. Cleaned out. I got my manual tape measure. This, which I need to still hook up, but I'm reminding myself continuously. And cleaned out that, which you can't see, but it's all clean. Got some stuff up there. I'm gonna switch these 2 seats out while I can and while I'm thinking about it. Literally, that's one of the easiest things I've ever done. All right, guys, so I lowered down my spare tire carrier. This box, which is like a suitcase, that thing fits under there. I don't know how. I did not think that space was that big, but it fits, and I found a box at Harbor Freight, which is like a weatherproof, basically a Pelican copy, and I've checked them out before. They're pretty nice. That box out there might work, but I just don't know how weatherproof it is, and I don't want my tools, wrenches, screwdrivers to get all rusty. So I'm just gonna buy one. I think it's like 60 bucks. I need to find make something or find something to where I can utilize this space right behind here. Because originally there's just a pan that goes in there, and that's just not as, like, you can't utilize that space as good, as well, as efficient with that. I would like to have like some drawers, or maybe even just a big like storage spot. I would probably put food in there, like cereal and just like crap like that. So, because I literally have nowhere to put anything. I got my fridge, which that's limited, and there's like nothing else in here. There's literally nothing else to put food in. I guess I could put food in them, but the only food I could put in them is like granola bars and just random crap like that. So I need to make something for that little space. Other than that, I don't know what else to do for today other than just go in my room and pack crap. So I think that might be it for this video. I'm definitely nervous about this whole thing for sure, because I'm out of my comfort zone. I'm not at home anymore. I'm not just like conveniently sleeping inside with a bathroom, fridge, shelter. Like, I'm gonna be in a van traveling and making videos. So it's definitely gonna be a wake-up call for this new year, new decade. Kind of nervous about it. I'm sure other people are nervous about it too. I need to start really uploading to this channel now, because guys, time's getting close.